Hi friends, let me show you these solar powered fans that I received for reviewing purposes. These are great because they get energy from the sun with this solar panel, okay? Of course, they will work only when there is sun. These are the actual fans that you can install in an attic, in a greenhouse, in your pet's home, wherever you want ventilation to happen during the day. These fans will work just by aiming the solar panel to the sunlight, okay? You connect them here and that's it. You have this, the long of this cable, but you also get an extra cable if you need the fans to be farther away from the solar panel. So you get an extra length cable and all the accessories to install it, okay? And the nice thing is that also if you need, you could use the solar panel to charge your phone or small batteries or any kind of electronic device that will have a USB-A cable. Here you can connect it and charge it with this solar panel. Of course, when you are going to use it, you have to get rid of this plastic protection that it has on top of it. We're going to test it outside and let you know how it goes. Thank you. Friends, let me show you how this works. It's really easy. When you install your fan, wherever you need it, you just have to put the solar panel directly to the sun and look at this. It will work immediately, okay? As more light it gets, stronger the fan work. See? Almost no light and it's still working a little bit. More sunlight to the panel and it works strongly. And also it will charge your phone. You see? Charging. So when you are working in a farm or in a remote place, if you need some energy for your accessories or to ventilate any space, this is a great option. Thank you.